students, today we gather to recognize the hard work of those students who have earned places on our honor roll the first grading period. We're very proud of you and your accomplishments during this unique school year. Our hope is that you will continue to build on your achievements and continue to join us at our future honor roll assemblies. To other students who may be watching but were not able to join us today, we invite you to bring on the challenge to earn a spot on the honor roll for the second grading period. We hope you all remember to be proud of yourselves because we are already proud of you. Honor roll qualifications. Principal honor roll, academic is all A's, effort are all ones, and conduct grades are all A's. Students must earn all A1A.
Superior honor roll, the qualifications are academic average 3.6, academic grades all A's and B's, effort all 1s and 2s, conduct average 3.6, and conduct grades all A's and B's.
The qualifications for regular honor roll are the academic average between 3.0 and 3.59. Academic grades should have been all A's and B's, effort all 1s and 2s, and a conduct average of 3.0 or greater.